Hey everyone, Krista here, and today we're continuing our quest to complete every single character dining experience in Disney World by visiting Cape May Cafe at Disney's Beach Club Resort for their delightful character dining. Join us as we enjoy a delicious meal with some of our favorite Disney characters like Minnie, Donald Duck, Daisy, and Goofy. Cape May Cafe is located inside Disney's Beach Club Resort, which is right next to the back entrance to Epcot. The Beach Club is known for its charming seaside theme and relaxed atmosphere. The restaurant itself captures that beachy New England vibe perfectly. When you arrive at Cape May Cafe, you'll check in either at the podium or through the app. Once you're checked in, you'll be seated and the magic begins. The ambiance here is warm and welcoming with pastel colors and nautical decorations that make you feel like you're dining by the sea. It's a great spot to relax and enjoy a meal with family and friends. The highlight of this breakfast is, of course, the characters. The breakfast buffet here is called Minnie's Beach Bash Breakfast, so you'll get to see Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy as they make their rounds to each table. And each character is all dressed up in their beachy best. The character interactions are always top-notch. Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy take their time with each table, making sure that everyone gets a personal experience. It's a fantastic experience for kids and adults alike. They even have a short dance party where kids can join in and dance along with their favorite characters. Now let's talk about the food. Cape May Cafe offers a buffet-style breakfast with a wide variety of options. There's something for everyone here, from classic breakfast staples to unique dishes you won't find anywhere else. Some of our favorite dishes include the classic Mickey and Minnie-shaped waffles, which are always a hit. Cheddar biscuits with gravy. There is a delicious bread pudding that you can enjoy with this creme anglaise, and fresh crepes that are made right here in front of you. There's also seasonal pancakes, potato barrels, scrambled eggs, steak and eggs, bacon, sausage, and flour tortillas to make your own breakfast burrito. On the other side of the buffet are some poached eggs and seasonal hash, seasonal vegetables, breakfast potatoes, a tofu and vegetable scramble, and you can get some fresh ham from the carving station. And of course, there's a selection of fresh fruit and yogurt, oatmeal and grits, and a delicious selection of pastries. In addition to the buffet offerings, your server will bring some fresh salted caramel beach buns for your table. These are served with vanilla cream sauce and are so delicious. They taste like salted caramel cinnamon rolls. Overall, our experience at Cape May Cafe Character Breakfast was fantastic. The food was delicious, the atmosphere was charming, and the character interactions are unforgettable. It's definitely a must-do if you're visiting Disney World and looking for a magical dining experience. If you are planning on dining at Cape May Cafe, here are a few tips to help you get the most out of your visit. If you want to see the characters, keep in mind that they are only available during the breakfast buffet. In the evenings, Cape May offers a New England-inspired surf and turf buffet, but the characters do not appear. The breakfast buffet is $47 per adult and $30 per child. And annual pass holders do receive 10% off. Cape May Cafe is part of Disney's dining plan. Both the breakfast and dinner buffets will cost 1 table service menu point per person. Your server will give each person in your party an autograph card with each of the character signatures on it. Reservations are recommended as this is a very popular dining experience, and you can make reservations online or through the app. If you found any of this information helpful, I would love it if you would hit that like button and subscribe if you would love to see more fun things to do in Florida and beyond. I release a new video every week, and the best way to be able to see them is by subscribing. Finally, a huge shout out to our amazing channel members who help support our channel. You make our content possible, and I couldn't appreciate you more. Thank you again for joining on this culinary adventure at Cape May Cafe. If you are looking for even more fun restaurants to try while visiting Disney World, then you're in luck because I've got an entire playlist for you that'll pop up on the screen right now. In this playlist, I'll take you through all sorts of restaurants like Be Our Guest, Space 220, and Cinderella's Royal Table. Until next time, everyone, I hope you have a magical day and go out and enjoy some Florida sunshine.